Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our rubber clamp mounting system that can be used in conjunction with the Rough Country Molle panels. Now we offer the clamps in a variety of sizes as well as styles. We've got a traditional clamp style that's going to be made to grab the handle of an implement, maybe even a fire extinguisher. And then we've got strap style for your larger, more bulky items, be it a tow strap or a traction board or anything that can fit in between them. Now each mount is sold separately, but it's going to come with all of the necessary hardware to mount it. And I'm actually going to show you over here on the Gladiator how to mount one up. Each one is going to come with a speed clip that we will snap into the bracket. That way you don't have to worry about getting to the backside with a wrench. Snaps in place just like that. Then we'll take our Allen head bolt, run it through the washer. We'll take that and run it through the mount so it just comes through. And now we'll attach it to the Molle panel. All right, we're over here at the Molle panel. Now we've designed the bracket so you can fully install from one side of the panel. The bracket's designed to drop in. You're gonna pick a slot you want the mount to go into, place it in that spot, and then simply tighten it up. Now you can mount these in any position you want to on the panel, up and down, sideways, up here, over here, it doesn't matter. If we come over to Sesrig, I'll show you a couple of examples of what we're using them for. So we've got a camping hatchet as well as a shovel mounted here. Nice, out of the way, but right where you want them when you want them. He's also got some on the interior of the bed. As you can see, flashlight mounted right here. You can grab it and go. So if you've got gear you need to last your Molle panels, you need Rough Country's rubber clamp mounting system. With a variety of sizes and types, we've made sure that we can get all your gear squared away. Check them out today at roughcountry.com.